Yes, Aya, good morning, Aya. Yeah, man. Right, me I tell you, say, not even Mr. When him burying, not even Beryl can stop me and take my morning dip, yeah. Falmouth half from be a beach me there, no. Yeah, man. As usual, like, man, me alone. Me alone and God. Yeah. Yeah, me say, war is later, you know, brother. War is later in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. No phone around on the hide and go button down. The wrath of God will pass through later. But the too wicked in Jamaica, yeah, brother. The wrath of God will pass through. And God go show now who are the real world boss. You know, see it? And who are the boss. Yeah, man. Just like 1988. You know, see it? When God passed through in Gilbert, God pass through later, brother. You know, see it? A certain thing said, yeah, man. Enter the country, get to our levels. Enter Jamaica, get to our levels of heights of wickedness of the government and all them things there. Gotta go show now. You understand me? Yeah, man. Because remember 1988, you know, man. A lot of part of Siaga rain, you know. And got passed through, you know. Yeah, man. Now, at 2024, a lot of part about, that's it, about God rain. Because in time coming up, that man is so wicked in such a way, brother. Because man has no freedom of speech at Jamaica again. The poor local man the poor local vlogger them on social media. The man want to try to, you understand me? The man want to try to stop me there. To stop. You know, see it? In 2016 when they use social media and mash down Porsche and win election. I know the table, the table that turn against them right now. Because the PNP party, they use the social media, they deal with the Broad Devil case. You understand me? At times I'm be preaching, brother. Jamaica want to free up my youth. Our Prime Minister coming like Pharaoh. You know, see it? And God go show you who are the real boss. You need to let go God people in, brother. And God people must are the save Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, God will pass through later. He must pass through. In tired of foolishness. Where they go on. So, as I say, I fall with half of me a beach me there. Me not no fear with brother. What is to be must be, you know. If my little shock and blow down, that is, you know. But sometimes God feel even all this something that feel the wrath of God. Yeah, man. This is a Prime Minister, yeah, a devil himself. Devil. He come like Pharaoh. You understand me? I'm gonna go show now. Yes. I'm not telling you that. Gotta pass through later, brother. Yeah. You see your place look. Eh? And I see water me there, brother. Yeah, man. Me alone on God. Because I don't fear my youth. You know, see it? Because I don't fear the enemy with me love God, brother. Yeah. The place too wicked, my youth, in such a way now. So the cry of the people didn't come from God, man, God go show. Go clean up the place. Yeah, man, the place go clean up. Yeah, man, for a new beginning. A new beginning the place is going to clean up. See like getting clean up. See again in 1988. I'm going to clean up both God. I'm going to clean up both devil now. Make it know. Because Jamaica will get a fresh start, brother. Jamaica will get a fresh start. Because this man call himself God. And devil himself, man, youth. I mean, I start burn fire upon him, brother. I'm not busy with what anybody wants to say now. I live in fear of that, man, youth. There's a new thing I'm coming to track people, the track people thing, and if you talk about nothing against the government, you go track the people in. You know, see? Like he own Jamaica. Like Jamaica free him. Jamaica want to free up my youth. You understand me? I tell you, brother. Yeah, man. I don't have fear in man. Because I'm different, you know. Because my place is button up, you know. That's my biscuit I don't buy. I don't buy nothing put on. Yeah, man. I don't buy nothing put on my yard. Yeah. Because I can fast right through today and right through tomorrow. And I have nothing. Yeah, man. Country want to clean up my yard. You know, see it? Just like 1988. The country want to clean up and start afresh. So go devil. Eh? Go devil. Yeah, man, you stay up the wrath of God. You hear me? I'm going to feel God well later on. If it's a joke business, brother, you're too wicked, man, yo. You push the people, them. You force the people, them take all price and pill and all them sitting there. Just to be one. Just to want power. Among the people dead in COVID. If you mind me talk things still, because when you talk certain things on all and post it on YouTube, they want to shut it down, they want to take it down. They want to take it down. Anything you talk about COVID, certain way, they want to block your thing. But as what I say, God will pass you later. God will come clean up Jamaica. You know, see? God will clean up, God will clean up Jamaica. Go clean Jamaica. Yeah, man, if you're a market G, if you take it back over. A market G, go take it over. I cleanse, God will come cleanse Jamaica later. If you're a market G. Yeah. Just like him in cleansing 1988. You know, see? And Michael Manley take it back. From Siaga. And that's what happen. So, both devil, you can't stop the hands of God, you hear me? Because when God people him against you and they cry out, gotta go move. I clean, gotta go clean up Jamaica look more to Market G. Yeah, man. Gotta clean for Market G. Because Market G are going to take it over. You can't stop Market G from being Prime Minister. You know, you can't stop Market G. You know. When you say Market G, I want a nice beating stick. But Market G coming like Michael Manley. Market G is a man like Michael Manley. The greatest Prime Minister Jamaica have ever seen. Michael Joshua Manley. Yeah, man. Who's for the people, them? Yeah, man. Because Michael Manley wasn't a perfect man, you know. Because only one perfect man they have, and a Jesus Christ. But Michael Manley was for the poor. Michael Manley was for the something there. For the people, them. Yeah, man. Because you go always at the poor. And you, the devil, you behave like you want. You can't stop poverty. You can't stop poverty, brother. You go always at the poor, so they look out for the poor people. Them. And that's what Michael Manley used to do. Michael Manley used to take the best out of Cuba and try to build up Jamaica. You know, see it? And to fight against that. The small communist country, Cuba. And now, the big communist country, China, run Jamaica. Chinese run Jamaica now. You know, see it? Because them people are good for development. That's what Michael Manley do. Use Cuba and build up in country. The doctors, them on the foot. Yeah, the construction, them on the foot. Because GC first all the schools, the Osamante High School, Wallet School, enough doctors are there to think back in the time. I went to know in 1980 when they chased out all the Cubans out of Jamaica. When they won the Cubans out of Jamaica. Come here, people say Michael Malley time done. Michael Malley time can't done. If Michael Malley time done, Jesus time done same way. Yes. Because Michael Malley and Jesus are the same type of person. Love poor, love the poor. In a seat. Yeah, man. And love the sick and all them sitting and love the people them. So I'm telling you, brother. So I'm going to sign off and now still now. And the wrath of God will pass through later, brother. Gotta come clean up Jamaica and prepare for market tea. There is no way Andrew Wallace can tell you that. But you can't buy the people them again. You can't treat the people them again. The people them tired of you now, brother. You understand me? But you call election now. So that me I tell you. You know see, me speak my mind now. I mean I stop talk. So when I want to cover, nothing. I want to no cover, nothing put I not button down or anything at all. If my house and blow down, I saw it go. We start over. But you see son of try peep through. This one I try peep through, man. Later on I worry. Me alone and God down here. I'm going to depend on the water same way. Because I don't fear my youth. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm going to call me fear. You know, see. This is. You know, see this time the hurricane come. Start with B. Yeah, man, Mr. B come. Yeah, man, hurricane come start with B. When they Beryl, enough South Beryl got Beryl for board. Yeah, man. Want to catch it? Yes. So I go sign out now still now. I go sign out now. Yeah, man. So who want to go? Who want to view it? Because I just drive me by, you know. And I tell the truth. Yes, brother. Yeah, man. So if the thing pass through, I don't want on deck take place still, you know. I don't want on deck take place. I hope say nobody lose him life still. You understand me, but you know, so what? Gotta be shook at the place, man. God send a couple earthquake, you know. What day, you know? As soon as what day, you can start feel earthquake regular, you know. Because of the wickedness are going on. But God like the earthquake thing for the levels. But when you come on to hurricane and storm, that God use for Jamaica. God clean up Jamaica, man. God clean up Jamaica and I prepare for market G. Yeah, man. So look, so if you have them things have to take place more time. You start anew. Jamaica want to start anew. Yeah, man. But the Prime Minister too wicked, my youth. You come like Pharaoh. So you must stop using them on social media to advice out. You cannot attract people, my youth. You cannot attract people. Come on, people that are no freedom of speech in the country again. You come on, man, they are not talking in the country again. This brother come like him, actually, I don't know anybody, I'm vexing him, my youth. The man come like him, the man can't say nothing at all about the government now. You attract people, you go, but I just don't talk here, man, youth. I agree with what day, you know. You make certain speech, brother, like you own Jamaica. You understand me? And now you can't declare for your asset yet. And you can want to push the people them. She put my voice out against you. The wrath of God accompany you today, you hear me? God accompany you today. The wrath of God pass through later on. With the wickedness what the Prime Minister that go on in the country. And him make God come and look at him. He pay a visit. Just like he pay a visit to Edo Tiara in 1988. He go pay a visit to to the boat devil. In 2024, we make it know who are the real world boss. When I talk about Carter the world boss, the real world boss will pass through later Jamaica. The real world boss will pass through later. You understand me? The real world boss are forward later. Okay. I wish you all the best, you know. I hope no life not taking, but I saw it go still. Yeah, man, I saw it go. Yes, I am. This sun back to come out there. Now sign out now. A 50 minutes with the talk, can be vex. Me vex, brother. We love the Jamaican people, you know. We love Jamaica, you know. But it's a prime minister, brother. This is a prime minister yeah, into a wicked. In call elections in a pandemic. You know, see it? Just because he want power. But, poor devil, gotta pay your visit today, you hear me? Okay. Nice little blue sky. Cloud. Yeah, man. So I'm 2 out from half from the beach now. A 60 minutes with a talk. I'm go post it. Yes, I am. Yeah, man. I'm out. Yes. So I wish you all the best, you know. I hope no life not taking it, but God have to go show who are the real boss. No for no. I go quiver. No for no quiver today. When God have pass through. Okay. Yeah, man. I'm out.